Good morning, class 5. Today we are going to start a new topic from your mathematics books, that is chapter number 4. Topic name is factors and multiples. We will begin exercise 4.1. Before that, let me ask you, you have read the basic concept very well, then it will be very easy to understand this exercise. So let's start exercise 4.1. Find all the factors of a number is given to you, that is 8, and we have to find all the factors of 8. So if you check out rough work over here, 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are 8, similarly 4 2s are 8 and 8 1s are 8. So what we have got, all the factors here, 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the factors of 8. Similarly, B question is also based on that. Find all the factors of 15. 1 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 15 1s are 15, or we can also say that 15 divided by 1 will give you 15, 15 divided by 3 will give you 5, 15 divided by 5 will give you 3, and 15 divided by itself will give you 1. So all the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. These are the factors of 15. Okay. Let's begin. Question number 2. Is 12 a factor of 5636 is a number? We are going to check now, is 12 is the factor of this number or not. So we will start rough work. 5636 we will write it as dividend and our divisor is 12. 12 fours are 48. We have got 8 as remainder. Then we will write down 3. Afterwards 12 6 are 72. Subtract it. You will get 11 as remainder. Write down 6. Bring down 6 and our new dividend is 160. 12 9s are 108. It will not be able to divide completely. So remainder is left. That is 8. So quotient we have got 469. Remainder we are going to write 8. The answer is no. 12 is not a factor of 5636. Question number 3. Find the first 4 multiples of a number. 5 is given to you. You have to find out first 4 multiples of 5. Rough work. In that we are going to write 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So first 4 multiple we have got 5, 10, 15 and 20. Now we are going to write answer. 5, 10, 15 and 20 are the first 4 multiples of 5. On the basis of this question, similarly B is also done like that. Find the first 4 multiples of 7. So rough work we are going to prepare. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. The answer which we have got, 7, 14, 21 and 28 are the first 4 multiples of 7. C is not done here because it is given to you as question. Question number 4. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? Few list of numbers are there in the box. You have to know which number is divisible by 2. So you have already read the divisibility properties of 2. On the basis of that you have to answer. The numbers are like that: 25, 48, 83, 104, 217, 322, 500. So let's count on how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first of all, know what is the divisibility rule of 2. A number having an even digit in its ones place is said to be divided by 2. Check out the numbers. 25. Let's see. 5 is what kind of number? It is odd number. So we require only even digit. So 25, it is clearly no. It is not divisible by 2. 48. Last digit 8. Yes, it is even digit. So it is divisible by 2. The answer is written yes. 83 now. 83. Check out the last digit. It is odd. 3 is odd. So it is also not divisible by 2. 104. Check out the last digit 4. 4 is what? An even digit. So yes, it is divisible by 2. 217. 7 is what? Odd digit. No. 322. In 322, last digit is 2. So 2 is even digit. Yes, it is divisible by 2. And 500, if you look 0, it comes in the table of 2. 2 5s are 10. So yes. The answer which we have got here, so numbers 48, 104, 322 and 500 are divisible by 2. Next question, question number 5. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? First of all, know the divisibility rule of 5. It has to be 5 or 0, the last of the digit. So numbers are given to you. You have to find out whether it is divisible by 5 or not. 20, 23, next number 35, 49, 8007, 92,300. All of the numbers you are going to check whether it is divisible by 5 or not. Know the divisibility of rule of 5 first. A number is divisible by 5 if it has 0 and 5 in its ones place. The numbers. Now we are going to check one by one. 20. Ones place 0. So it is yes, divisible by 5. 23. Ones place 3. So it is not divisible by 5. 35. Check out the ones place 5. So yes, it is divisible by 5. 49. Ones place 9. No, it is not divisible by 5. Check out the ones place in number 8007. Ones place 7. No, it is not divisible by 5. 92,300, next number. So here at ones place we have 0. Yes, it is divisible by 5 because we only require 0 and 5 on ones place. The answer we are going to write. So numbers 20, 35 and 92,300 are divisible by 5. This is a very quick way to know whether a number is divisible by any digit or not. You have to know its divisibility rule. So even without dividing, we are able to find out. Next question 6. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? First of all, we are going to read the question first. 22, 42, 88, 105, 216, 1739. These are the numbers given to you. Now, what you are going to do? You are going to know what is the divisibility rule of 3. A number is said to be divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. Now we are going to check this out. First digit we have, first number we have 22. Now we are going to check the sum of its digit 22. So 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 will give you 4. Now 4 is divisible by 3 or not? We all know, no, it is not divisible by 3. Next number on this row we have 42. Add the sum of the digits. 4 plus 2 will give you 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Yes. 3 2s are 6. So, yes, it is divisible by 3. 88. Sum of the digits. So, 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 will give you 16. If we check out this number 16, 3 5s are 15, but 1 will be remainder. So, it is not divisible by 88 is not divisible by 3. No. Next number 105. First of all, add all these digits. 1 plus 0 plus 5 will give you 6. Now 3 2s are 6. Yes, it is divisible by, the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. So we can also say that 105 is divisible by 3. Next number 216. Write down the sum of the digits first. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 6 will give you 9. So 3 3s are 9. On this basis we can say 216 is divisible by 3. Now last number in this row, 1739. Find out the sum of all the digits here. 1 plus 7 will give you 8. 8 plus 3 will give you 11. 11 plus 9 will give you 20. And lastly, you have to check 20 is divisible by 3 or not. No, it is not divisible by 3. So answer what we have got. Therefore, numbers, only these numbers are divisible. Who are they? 42 and 105. Also, this number 216 are divisible by 3. So what is the divisibility rule of 3? The sum of all digits has to be divisible by 3. Question number 7. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 9? Check out the numbers first. 82, 103, 279, 3041, and last number we have got 7,02,306. Write down solution and the divisibility rule of 9. A number is said to be divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9. Let's know how it will be done. Write down the number. First number 82. 8 plus 2 will give you 10. 8 plus 2 will give you 10. So 10 is not at all divisible, fully divisible by 9. It will leave a remainder 1. So no, 82 is not divisible by 9. 103. Add all the digits. 1 plus 3 will give you 4. So 4, it is again not divisible by 9. Clear no. 279. Write down 2 plus 7 will give you 9 plus 9 will give you 18. So 9 2s are 18. We all know, yes, it is divisible by 9. 3041. Add all these numbers. 3 plus 4 will give you 7. 7 plus 1 will give you 8. Lastly, check out whether the number is divisible by 9. 8 number? No. The last number here, 7,02,306. Write down the sum of the digits. 7 plus 0. Again we have got 7. 7 plus 2. 9. 9 plus 3 will give 9 plus 3 will give you 12. 12 plus 6 will give you 18. So if you will check out, here we have divided 18 and here we are dividing 18. So yes, 9 2s are 18. It is divisible by 9. Only 2 numbers in this whole table is divisible by 9. What are they? Therefore, numbers 279 and 7,02,306 are divisible by 9. Question number 8. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and 8? So we have to know the numbers first. 3104, 1205, 316, 907, 2870, 6640, 3900. So write down solution and know the divisibility rule of 4 first. Divisibility rule of 4 says a number is divisible by 4 if the sum formed by the last two digits on its extreme right is divisible by 4. Now we are going to know the divisibility rule of 4. A number is said to be divisible, that is, form last two digits on its extreme right is divisible by 4. So, first of all, we will take the number 3104. We will know the extreme two right digit 04. So, 4. And in this way, yes, we can say 4 divided by 4 will give you 1. Here we have got yes. 1205 extreme 2 right digit. Look at this extreme 2 right. 05 we can say 5. So it is not divisible by 4. In the same way 316 extreme 2 right digit, that is 16. So 16, 4 4s are 16. So yes, it is divisible by 4. Now look at this number next, 907. So 7 we can't say. So it is clear no for this number because it is 7 is not divisible by 4. 2870. So look this number first, 70. 70 is again not divisible by 4. So no for this number. 3900, I think it has got shuffled here. So 6640 first. 40. 4. 40. So what we have got? 4 tens are 40. So yes, it is divisible by 4. Next number 3900. If you look closely, write two digits. So 0. We can say that if we will divide 3900 divided by 4, we will get 975. So answer what we have got. Therefore numbers 3104, 316. What more? What else? 3900, and along with that this number 6640 are said to be divisible by 4. So there is another part B of this question. 8. You have to check the divisibility rule of 8. So what is the divisibility rule of 8? A number is said to be divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last three digits on extreme right is divisible by 8. So like if you have chosen two right digits here, so you will choose next time for dividing it by 8, you will choose last three digit number. So 104, 205, then 316, 907, 870, 900, 640. The explanation of this 8 is given to you. Hopefully you will be able to solve B part by yourself. We will proceed towards question number 9. Read out what it is. Is 14 a factor of 42 and 112? Second part is also there. Is 14 a factor of 112 plus 42 and 112 minus 42? So let's check out solution. 14 3s are 42 and 14 8s are 112. So yes, it is a factor of 42. 14 is a factor of 42 and 112. So first part is yes. Now we will proceed towards second part and solve the second part. That is 112 plus 42. Let's add this. We will get 154. And as we know, 14 multiplied by 11 will give you 154. So yes, here we can see 14 is a factor of 154. Last number, this last attached part in it, 112 minus 42. So 112 minus 42 will give you 70, and 14 fives are 70. So yes, 14 is a factor of 70. Moving to the 10th question, last question of this exercise, 4.1. Is 54 divisible by 2 and 3? Is it divisible by 6? First of all, we will find out 54 is divisible by 2. Then we will see 54 is divisible by 3. Then lastly, we will check it is divisible by 6 or not. So let's quickly recap the divisibility rule of 2. It says it has to be only even digit at its ones place. So what is there? 54 ones place 4. So digit in ones place is equal to 4, and 4 is divisible by 2. Therefore it means 54 is divisible by 2. Next, we will check out whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So divisibility rule of 3 says sum of all the digits has to be divided by 3. So what is the sum of all the digits? 5 plus 4 will give you 9, and 3 threes are 9. So yes, 9 is divisible by 3. It means 54 is divisible by 3. Last condition of this question, is it divisible by 6? And we all know the divisibility rule of 6 says that a number is said to be divided by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3, both the numbers. So we will write down the C part, 54. 54 is divisible by both numbers, 2 and 3. In this way, we can say it is also divisible by 6. Now we will look the homework part, what you have to practice. You will practice all the sums. Decide that this sum is particularly for you to practice. Exercise 4.1. Your homework is, you will solve all the done question one more time. You will take a quick recap and you will solve question number 1 leftover part, C, D, E, and question number 3, D and E part.